There is a lie at the heart of modern spirituality. It's the idea that to be enlightened, you must destroy your ego, that your anger, your pride, your jealousy, these are shameful flaws to be transcended, meditated away, or vaporized with sage. What if I told you this war against yourself is the very thing keeping you stuck in cycles of subtle self-hatred and spiritual bypassing? The ego is not a monster to be slain. It is the armor your soul grew to survive. The shadow is not a stain. It is concentrated life force that you've been taught to disown. And reclaiming it is the key to unimaginable power. Let's reframe completely. Picture a child. This child is naturally exuberant, loud, and demands attention. At some point, an overwhelmed caretaker says, "Stop showing off. Don't be so selfish." The child, desperate for love and belonging, learns a lesson. My natural exuberance is bad. To be loved, I must be small. So they lock that exuberant part in a basement room of their psyche. That's your shadow. It's not evil. It's a disowned part of you, frozen in time, still holding the very power you needed to survive. Your selfishness might hold your capacity for healthy boundaries. Your anger might hold your capacity for fierce justice. Your pride might hold the blueprint for your unshakable self-worth. You've been trying to heal by silencing a prisoner, when the real work is to walk down the stairs, unlock the door, and reintroduce yourself. How do you do this without being consumed by it? Not through force, but through curious reclamation. Here's the 3-step alchemy. Step 1, identify the exile. When you feel a sharp, negative reaction, a flash of envy at a friend's success, a surge of rage in traffic, stop. Don't judge it. Get curious. Ask, what part of me feels so threatened right now? What is this emotion trying to protect? You are not the rage. You are the one witnessing the rage of an exiled child who thinks it's still fighting for your survival. Step 2, listen to its intelligence. This is the radical part. You thank it. You say internally, "Thank you for trying to protect me. You are so strong. What do you need me to know?" You might hear, "I need you to know you deserve success too," or "I need you to know your time is valuable." The shadow's message is always a distorted but valid need. Step 3, integrate the gift. Now, you bring that need into the light of your adult consciousness. The envy's need becomes a commitment to pursue your own goals. The rage's need becomes a plan to set better boundaries. You take the raw, chaotic energy and channel it into a conscious, powerful action. The monster in the basement becomes an ally in your boardroom. This process ends the internal civil war. You are no longer a spiritual person trying to be less human. You become a whole human being capable of profound spiritual depth. Your power no longer comes from a perfect, curated image of light, but from your authentic, integrated depth. The world doesn't need more people pretending to be saints. It needs integrated humans who can hold their darkness with compassion and wield their light with clarity. Your shadow is not your opposite, it is your negated twin. And your reunion is the source of your true, unshakable authority. The path to power isn't upward into an idealized light. It's downward into the rich, fertile soil of everything you've been afraid to be. Your wholeness is waiting there, not in spite of your shadow, but because of it. The journey begins with a single question. The next time you feel a bad emotion, hello, old friend. What have you come to teach me?